What is going on, guys? You know Cory.
What's up?
You might have seen his Cadillac, but
Hit
I don't
me.
like to show it off because it's really lame.
It's not that lame. It's actually kind of quick.
It's kind of
Well,
disgusting.
Check it out.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
What we're going to be doing is putting a random HP Tuners tune on it because it is a 2.0T, and we found a tune on HP Tuners that'll put it up to 22 PSI. And
I don't know. It ups the boost to like 22.
yeah, 22 PSI, and then who knows what else, like, you know, obviously timing and other upgrades. So we're going to load it in his car and see how quick it does. But
And I'm just going to note, I was going to do this a lot sooner, but my FRS blew up, and I didn't want to go messing with the Cadillac while the FRS was blown up. So
Makes
now that I
sense.
have the FRS back, we can go and start playing with this a lot more.
yeah, so we'll give you a baseline run, and then we'll throw on the tune and see how she do. Let's get to it. We got Cory's Cadillac getting 22.5 mpg.
We better ruin
Boss, about to ruin that. It's bone stock besides the muffler delete, which is not really going to affect the power at all. But we chilling in the back seat right now. Grant's up front, and let's go for a party and
Should
see
I-
how we do.
Sport mode.
Should I do it in sport mode manual for the baseline?
Yeah, whatever we're going to do for the baseline and the test run.
Okay, so we are in sport mode manual. This car does have 97,000 miles on it now. I bought it with what, 90,000 on it, or 89?
I don't know.
I've put a decent bit of mileage on this car. And honestly, are you still recording?
Yep.
Cool. I didn't know if Matt was going to cut me off at this point because he doesn't want people to like this car. But I actually bought this car because I drove one back for a friend. That
Oh
owns
yeah,
a,
in our previous video where I was driving the Boxster through the desert.
Yes,
Cory was whipping one of these.
Yeah, I drove one of these Cadillac ATSs, and I kind of fell in love with it, to be honest, because unlike Matt, I love four-door cars.
And he loves going slow.
People, Jesus Christ, these people
It's
are not
a green
even-
light, Cory. You ain't gonna make it. Yeah, people are assholes at
Shoot
this
the gap.
intersection.
No, I can't. But anyways, yeah, I honestly fell in love with these cars. I think they're fantastic. They come with about 270 horsepower stock. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, factory twin scroll, factory electronic wastegate, all of the goodies. It's got Brembo brakes on it from the factory. Now this does have some of the performance upgrades on it. This isn't a base.
And you can get these in manual.
Yes, you can buy a 2.0T in a manual. I actually just happened to get an extremely good deal on this. So that's why it's an automatic. And it's my daily driver, so being my daily driver, I also wanted a automatic. Yes, everybody just go, and then everybody's just going to block the road. And let's see if I pull out in front of this guy if we hit him, because if he hits me, it's on video.
Yep. That's right of way.
That's the right-of-way, bitch. That's how you do that. People don't know how to drive. If you live in Colorado, please fucking learn what the right-of-way means. 'Cause I guess nobody can figure that shit out.
Also, this is a one-way, and we see people coming in backwards way too often.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I haven't seen anybody
yeah.
do it yet.
No, like a scary amount. We see people coming this direction.
Alright, so here's the first pull. I'm just going to do a pull from like 10-ish to 60. And brake.
Wow.
My seatbelt didn't lock up as much as it should have.
That wasn't even fully braking.
Yeah, I know. It'll send me up there with you guys. Whee!
One thing I will note about this automatic transmission, this car did not come with the paddle shifters on the steering wheel. That is an option on the performance models. So what this one was is it was actually a base that the original owners bought the base, got the 2.0T. It is just rear-wheel drive. It's not an ATS 4 because they do make a all-wheel drive version of this.
Rear-wheel drive's cooler anyways.
Yeah, rear-wheel drive's way better. It's fine in the snow. I don't care what anybody says. This car's great in the snow. But the transmission, for just having the push-pull style, kind of like a dog box, is
Not
actually...
a dog box at all.
Yeah, it's not a dog... Well, I'm saying it's set up the same. You push it forward to shift up and pull it backwards.
Like an automatic,
to
yeah.
shift down. Yeah, like it's an automatic, okay. I will say, though, it is quite responsive. I did have the Evo 10 with the dual clutch, and even between my Evo 10 and this car just being an automatic, it's a very minor difference of the shift speed and the way the transmission actually responds to you. So I do really like that about this car. I do not like that I don't have the paddle shifters on
And
the
he's also
steering
got
wheel.
the screen.
Yeah, I also have the screen and heated seats and
The stash box where you keep your fortune cookies.
my Szechuan sauce. My
Szechuan
fortune
sauce?
cookie. Szechuan
Szechuan.
sauce. Szechuan sauce. So yeah, it does have a stash box. Pretty cool.
Well, I mean, it is a Cadillac.
I'm locked in.
Good, leave them in here.
Oh, the child.
Why do you have child locks on, Corey? Are you trying to rape people?
It's,
Corey's trying to rape people.
Where's your? It's under there somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, so we got Grill Master Matty Daddy. We got the laptop. We got HP tuners on it. It's what was it? Yep.
Have a scratcher.
It was what $100 for.
It was
The
$100
credit?
for the credits, and then I already had the pluggy boy.
So what would it cost if somebody just bought the HP tuners kit and wanted to do this to their Cadillac?
I think $300.
$300. Okay,
Mhm.
still not bad for a tune.
And then you have the cable. You have the cable and the plug. I forget what they call it. MPVI2.
If you slide your seat back and close the door, it'll stop yelling at you.
Nope. Move Grant. I'm going like all the way.
You're going to want to move to the other side, Grant.
I can't. I'm laying down
Move
back
there you
here.
go. Perfect.
Fuck it.
Yeah, just put your feet on my door, Grant.
What are you gonna do about it?
Put your feet on my door, on my nice leather.
Looks like pleather knee.
Yeah.
It is actually pleather. Shh. Don't tell them that.
Tastes
Pleather.
like pleather. Okay, so we uploaded the tune. Everything looked good. We did the compare files. I'm not going to get extensive into that because I'm not an expert. But everything looked good. So we're running now and we're going to go do a test pull and see how she do. So far, we can hear a little bit more turbo. Just at like light revs in neutral. And we're going to go see how fun she do.
We're going to see what she going to do.
Yep, and I'm just watching everything, making sure stuff looks good here.
We're going to do a couple just light pulls first.
Yep.
Like, I'll just go do a light pull, and then I'll pull back around, and then we'll go give her a hard pull. I want to kind of do the first pull just in drive, because I know they did say they changed the shift patterns in sport.
Yep.
So, and I have driven this car. I usually drive it in sport mode, even when it's snowing and shit, so.
Is this brightness okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine, I can see.
The camera's having trouble. No. Never mind. I was saying focusing on it.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't really need to focus on that.
Yeah.
Focus on the gauge cluster. So we can kind of do a side-by-side, like 0 to 60 comparison or whatever
okay.
we did.
All right, so we're gonna do like a 10 pull again to
Yeah,
60.
just do the same pull you did last time.
Definitely braked a lot sooner when I hit 60. Ooh.
Yeah, we definitely got there.
We definitely got to 60 a lot faster. That was all tire spin.
Yeah, I like that.
That was tire spin with traction control off.
We should go race some fucking WRXs.
I'm with it.
Let's go bully some fucking WRXs.
Go bully some JDM nerds.
I can tell the only thing I can like fully notice right now is the boost at lower RPM. I don't have that much of initial like the butt dyno that it was at the lower RPM.
Uh-huh.
I can tell a big difference there, but I will say at the higher RPM, I can definitely feel that like it is pulling a lot harder.
Yeah.
So I'm actually gonna go and turn traction control off because we didn't get this on video before, but we'll see what it does now.
Just throttle. Wait.
Oh, it's definitely faster.
Yeah, this thing is way faster.
What, did you hear the tires fucking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tires fucking
I think
on for
it
dear
didn't.
life?
Yeah, I think it didn't really want to do as much the first pull because the tires were slightly limiting it.
Yeah. Clear?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Grandpa
yeah.
be booking it.
Oh yeah. How the AFR's looking? Everything look good?
Yeah, everything looks perfect.
This damn. I love this. Oh, you get pops?
Oh yeah. I will say one thing is
Do a burnout.
the downshifts are a little bit more like not as smooth as the factory tune.
It's a lot firmer, is what it is.
Yeah, so it's
The factory downshifts are probably meant to be very calm for Cadillac owners.
yeah.
For people with a trust fund and a fucking nursing home.
In a 401k.
Yeah.
I like it.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, there you have it, off the shelf HP tune on a Cadillac ATS 2.0T.
I smell tire.
Actually, yeah, that's quite incredible that I just had that much tire spin. And this car had, like, so put it this way, when it was wet outside, and I'd be like merging in the traffic on the highway, if I had it in manual and floored it, I could get a tiny bit of tire spin, but I never had that much tire spin where it just lit up the fucking tires and would go.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually a lot of tire.
Yeah.
And just like that, the Cadillac ATS is tuned. It is good to go. A couple minor adjustments that Cory needs to make, or we need to make on the transmission, but other than that, it's pretty cool. And Cory's also going to get somebody to add the little crackly pop sound on D-cell, because he can be a little ricer boy. But thanks for watching.